Welcome to the future of high-quality asphalt maintenance and repair services. Have you got a small crack that needs urgent repair? Perhaps you need parking lot striping on a slightly larger area. No matter the case, we're armed and ready to take on any job, no matter how big or small. We pride ourselves on utilizing the highest quality products with uncompromised passion and unwavering expertise. What's more, our dedicated team cares deeply for the environment and never fails to embrace the eco-friendliest approach possible each and every time. From asphalt repair to crack sealing, striping services and beyond, rest assured that your space will look better than ever before. Our non-toxic and non-carcinogenic methodologies ensure unrivaled safety and ongoing peace of mind set to stand the test of time. Give us a call today for your free consultation today. We can't wait to turn your space into the reborn epitome of perfection.